Hello everybody and welcome to section 2. After we are familiar with SolidWorks user interface, and after we got introduced to the 3D concept, now we are ready to start our first sketch in SolidWorks. To start a sketch in SolidWorks, you need a flat surface or a plane. In our case, we will choose a plane. We have three planes: the front, top, right. To start a sketch, we need to pick one of these planes. There are two ways to start a sketch. The first one is to pick the plane you want. Let's pick the top, and then you will have this small menu here, and you can select the first option, which is a sketch, and now you will be taken to the normal view of the screen so you can start your sketch. To finish the sketch or to exit the sketch, you have these options. To finish the sketch, you will have this one, and to exit the sketch, you have this one. The difference between them is that when you finish the sketch, everything you create here will be saved. But when you exit the sketch, everything will be deleted. For now, let's exit the sketch, and then select Discard Changes and Exit. Alternatively, you can go to the ribbon, select Sketch tab, then select Sketch, and here you can see we have the planes shown. You simply need to pick any of them to start your sketch. For example, I'll select the top. And here you go. The same way, you can finish the sketch or exit the sketch. In this course, we will start all the sketches by selecting the plane or the flat surface, then selecting Sketch. This is a faster way of starting a sketch.